this week we're going to do another relatively small, easy job on the CNC this week. We're going to make this sign. It's my version of the bull's head sign that you may have seen other CNC operators make on the internet. I'm making this in ArtCAM. I've made it in ArtCAM in Old English type lettering, and just a little figure here on one side, and if there's enough interest I will actually dedicate a video on how I put this together. So I'll just run the program and show you how the CNC is going to cut it, but within ArtCAM program. So that's it as I've drawn it out, and I've already actually constructed the tool paths. That's a little bit long-winded for this video, but like I say, I will actually show you how that's done. So this is the 2D image, this is the 3D image, and we'll now simulate the tool paths. It won't obviously be as quick as this in real life, but we'll speed this process up. Okay, when we start a new job, the machine starts up, or I start it up as a rule in its home position, which means the gantry is as far forward as you can come, the carriage is as far over to the left as you can be, and the spindle is as high or as it touches the limit switch. There's a limit switch here, limit switch in here, and there's a limit switch inside here. That actually registers as all zeros on the DROs. That's digital readouts for the X, Y, Z and A, or fourth axis. All we're concerned about is the X, Y and Z axis. So that is the machine 0, or the home position. Okay, this is our piece of work. The work, or the end product, is going to be 400 meters long and 140 millimeters wide. Now in this case we start the program, or the work offset, right, is right at this left hand front corner, which is the norm. I actually switch depending on what the job is, whether I start the dead center of the material or whether I start on this front left corner. I'm happy with the X and the Y, so all I do, right, is go X0, Y0, and now I've got to find the 0 point, or 0 position of the Z. All you do is get a bit of paper like this, till it just grabs. There you go. Okay, so now I can load the first G code, which is the rather flamboyant letter G. So it's load, sorry, B. And come on, computer. Okay, it's loaded. The next file I've put in now is the little figurine on this end. So we'll just start that up. Okay, the next code to go in is the text, so we'll zoom back out. It should be somewhere in the middle there. So we'll give that a go. that's looking pretty good. The only one I'm not totally happy with is those two letters there, the by. But yeah, it's not bad. Okay, the next one I'm going to run now is just put a chamfer around the outside. That'll be a fairly quick one. Well, there you go. Not a bad representation. Bull's head by a CNC machine. And you can see it's turned out that what you see within the ArtCAM representation there is exactly what you end up with. If there's sufficient interest in doing a simple program like this, I will actually dedicate a video solely to how I put this together and how I created the toolpaths in ArtCAM and chose the tools and filled in all the parameters. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and if you have, please press like, or alternatively the red box up there, you press that, it'll take you to my YouTube channel where there's close to 90 videos now, and please subscribe. And all I've got to say now is bye for now, until next time.